You how to run the collection in the Postman using the so here I have created the collection. So inside the collection I have created two API request. Okay, here for request I have added these are the API get request. So similarly I have post API request. So today I'm just going to show you so how to run this collection in the HTML extra report, which is nothing but advanced report. So usually we are running this automation script in a collection runner. So here a run collection is there. So normally we are running this collection. So here iteration is one and then automation run the collection. So here view summary. So this is the normal way to run this collection in collection runner. So today I'm just going to show you using the HTML extra report. So to before that I will be just going to export this collection in our local machine. So just right click on whatever you have created the collection. So here I have a export option. So just click on it. So here you can export the collection. So I here I have created one folder. So in that folder I will just add this collection over here. Here it is showing like your collection was exported successfully. So this is I have in the documents I have created a folder as a test script. Inside test script I have exported this collection. So okay, to run this collection, let me I will run this. So here I will be add command prompt. So just this Newman run here automation. This collection name I am giving. Okay. So just enter. Yeah, it is started for running the script. So this is a Newman report. So here I whatever I added for the API request, I have list user, single user API request. So here it is showing like in the table format iteration is one, request we have added for three, and assertion is 15. So this is very simple Newman report. So let me I'll be going to show you how to generate the HTML extra report. To before that we need to add some of the plugins. So here Newman HTML extra report. So before that to generate the HTML export report we have to install the Node.js. So I am kindly requesting you to refer my previous videos. So how to install the Node.js. Yeah, okay, now I'll be show you Newman HTML report. So just click on the first option. So here it is here in this installation npm I Newman hyphen reporter hyphen HTML extra. This you need to install in your using the command prompt. Okay, like this is the report example. It is showing like so Newman run dashboard. So here light and dark mode you can run. So let me I will be going to show you. So this is the command you have to open this one in command prompt. I have copied. Let me open run command. So just add this one and run, because in my machine I already installed. Okay. So similarly you can add this one and then enter. You will it once it is uh, installed. So let me go to the whatever I have created folder. So let me close this. So here I will give Newman run. I will be going to give collection name, which is exported from Postman. Okay, here I will give -r, then HTML extra. So before that, here there is no only I have one collection over here. Okay, let me. So whatever I given npm install -c, this is so installed. Okay, this is the way to install the HTML extra. So let me go here to enter. Yeah, it is generated the Newman HTML extra report, created the HTML extra report. So let me open that folder. Here it is generated the Newman, inside Newman. So I have this the uh, report file. So let me open with. So you can use any browser. Let me open. This is a HTML extra report. It got generated. So here I have a light and dark mode. So for switching this option, and I have a summary. In the summary, I have a total iteration is one, total assertion. There will be no total fail test. So we have a file information, timing and data, and then this is for the summary report. Now let me go to the total request. So in total request I have added for two API request. So inside this request, so I have added for the two API request. If I click on the first option, so it will be showing like request informations, response informations, test pass percentage, request header and response header. So all the details will be available in this HTML extra report. Here I have response body, test information, If I go to the second API request, so it will be showing like all informations in the listed over here. So so whatever I added in the automation test script also it will be showing over here, and the status as a passed, and there will be no failed and there will be no skipped. So similarly there will be no failed test as of now and there will be no skipped. So I'm kindly requesting you to show view the just watch the previous videos. So how to install the Node.js. So once the Node.js installed, and then only you can go for proceed for the installing the Newman HTML extra report. Okay. So this is the way to generate the HTML extra report. So there are many ways to generate the reports. So this is very the nice report to share this report to your team members when you are working on the automation Node.js automation test script. So yeah, I am kindly requesting you to subscribe this channel. So soon I'll be going to add lot more videos in the upcoming videos. Okay, thank you.